Good morning, students. I'll teach today few important sums from multiple and some multiple angle. Okay. All of you know the formula. Remember formula or forgot? Remember. Okay. Nice. Since I'm suppose sine 2 theta 2 sine theta cos theta. All of you know. Suppose sine theta we can write sine theta by 2, 2 sine theta by 2, cos theta by 2, and cos theta we can write cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2, etc. Okay. Now say I am saying some, suppose cos alpha at some multiple angle, multiple and some multiple sums. Okay, multiple and some multiple. Okay, suppose cos alpha, right, cos alpha by 1 minus sin alpha equal to prove 1 plus tan alpha by 2 by 1 minus tan alpha by 2. How to prove? Okay, see, first at left hand side cos alpha, all of you know, yes, any formula in terms of tan or cos also. So write cos square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha by 2. Here you can write here 1 can be cos square alpha by 2 plus sin square alpha by 2, okay, minus 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, okay. So you can write here, this is cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 into cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 by, right here cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 whole square, okay. One minus is cancelled, okay. So write cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2 by here cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2, okay. Now dividing both sides by cos, so tan is there, okay. So dividing both sides by cos alpha by 2, okay. So write here 1 plus tan alpha by 2 by 1 minus tan alpha by 2, okay, equal to write RHS. Just note it down, write first. Okay, complete. Next one, see. Say that. Suppose 1 plus cot theta plus cosec theta, right? Question number 2, right? 1 plus cosec theta plus cot theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta equal to, you have to prove cot theta by 2 minus tan theta by 2, okay. This is given. To prove that this will be cot theta by 2 minus tan theta by 2. So right, you can write here 1 plus a plus b c cot theta whole square minus cosec theta whole square, you can write, no? See, a plus b minus formula is there. So write 1 plus 2 cot theta plus cos square theta minus cosec square theta. So you can write 2 cot theta here, 1 plus cos square, see, 1 plus cos square theta minus cosec square theta. This is cancelled now. 1 plus cos square cosec square. So 2 cot theta. So 2 you can write here cos theta, that is cos square theta, cos by sin, that is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 by sin theta, you can write 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 to cancel. So cos square by this and sin square by this, 1 cos cancel, cos by this will be cot theta by 2 minus tan theta by 2, okay. Okay, 1 plus cosec theta plus cot theta. So 1 plus cot theta whole square, 1 plus 2 cot theta plus cot square theta minus cosec square theta. So 2 cot theta plus 1 plus cos square, now All of you know this is cos square theta. Okay, so this and cos theta we know cos by sin. So cos theta will be cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Okay. Yes. Now, to put the value, we get the result. Okay. Next one. Now, next sum. Sin theta a minus b by a plus b. Sin theta a minus b by a plus b. This is given. Prove that tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Prove that tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2 equal to plus minus root under b by a. See, so you can write here, look at here, that is sin theta. So you get 1 by sin theta, we can write a plus b by a minus b. Okay, now using componendo dividendo apply. So write 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta equal to a plus b plus a minus b by a plus b minus a plus b. So that is 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta equal to, so twice a by twice b, that is we can write a by b. So b by is there, so just reciprocate 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta we can write b. Okay, b by a, and 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta we can write here. All of you know that is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 1. Okay, so this part you can write cos square theta by 2 minus sin theta minus sin theta by 2 whole square you can write by here 1 plus sin theta you can write here, and then cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 whole square equal to b by a. Okay, b by a. So we can write here, and dividing both sides, if we divide both sides by cos theta here, so it will be 1 minus tan theta by whole square is there. So write 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square equal to b by a. Okay, 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta by 2 whole square equal to b by a. So you can write here 1 can be tan pi 4. So this part, so you can write here tan square pi by 4 minus theta by 2 equal to b by a. Square is there. Okay, so here tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2 equal to plus minus root under b by a. This is the answer. Okay. See, all of us here, sin theta equal to a minus b by a plus b, 1 by sin theta a plus by a minus b. Using component dividendo, you will get the result. Okay. Again. Next one, very important sum is there. Okay, and write tan theta by 2. Next one, question number 4. Tan theta by 2 equal to tan q phi by 2. Tan theta by 2 equal to tan q phi by 2, and tan phi equal to given 2 tan alpha. 2 tan alpha. Okay, tan phi equal to 2 tan alpha. So theta plus phi equal to 2 alpha 2. So you have to write here tan theta plus phi by 2, write first like that. Tan theta by 2, and to prove that theta plus phi equal to 2 alpha. Okay, So you can write theta tan theta plus phi by 2. I am writing first. So write here tan theta by 2 plus phi by 2. Okay. So write for all of the formula tan theta by 2 plus tan phi by 2 by 1 minus tan theta by 2 tan phi by 2. Now write tan theta by 2 is the proof here. So write tan cube phi by 2 plus tan phi by 2 by 1 minus. So tan to the power phi by 2 is there, no? Yeah, tan theta by 2. Tan cube phi by 2, okay? Into tan phi, tan to the 4 phi by 2. So right here, tan phi by 2 common. So here 1 plus tan square phi by 2 by down. Here a plus b minus b, right? 1 plus tan square phi by 2 into 1 minus tan square phi by 2. Okay. Now this part is cancelled. Okay. Now you can write here. So write here. So here this part. So write tan theta plus phi by 2 equal to. I am writing here tan phi by 2 by 1 minus tan square phi by 2. So you can half into, you can write now 2 tan phi by 2 by 1 minus tan square phi by 2. So half. So all of you know tan 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta equal to tan 2 theta. So write tan 2 theta 2 into phi by 2. 2 to cancel. So half tan phi. See, tan phi is equal to tan alpha. So write half into 2 tan alpha. 2 to cancel. Okay. Now we are getting, say, tan, look at here, tan phi plus theta plus phi by 2, we are getting tan alpha. Both cancelling tan both the sides. So write theta plus phi by 2 equal to alpha. So theta plus phi equal to 2 alpha. This is the proof. Very important sum. You have to practice this type of sum. Okay. This type of sum, important sums also. This is very important sum, and exam this type of sum will give. Okay. Next one. Tan theta, right. Next one, tan theta equal to x into sec theta minus 1 whole square. Okay, tan theta equal to x into sec theta minus 1 whole square. Prove that cot cube theta by 2, to prove cot cube theta by 2 minus cot theta by 2, cot theta by 2 equal to twice x. Okay. See, tan theta we can write, that is sin theta by cos theta, x, this part 1 by cos theta minus 1 whole square. Okay. Sin theta we can write 2 sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2 by cos theta. So this part will be x into 1 minus cos theta whole square by cos square theta. 1 cos here cancel, only cos theta. Okay, so write 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Into this cos is there, you write here cos theta equal to x. This part 1 minus cos theta 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, so here 2 sin square theta by 2, 1 minus cos, the whole square is there, so write whole square. So here 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, cos theta you can write 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Yes, no? See cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 equal to here 4x sin to the power 4 theta by 2. See here sin theta by 2 is there, so one sin cancel here, so it will be cube, that is 4x sin cube theta by 2. Okay, now 4x sin cube theta by 2. Now see 2 cos theta by 2 here into 2, so you write that multiplied, that is 4 cos cube theta by 2 minus 2 cos theta by 2 minus equal to 4x sin cube theta by 2, both side divided by this part. Okay, so write 4 cot cube theta by 2 minus 2 cos theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 into 1 by sin square theta by 2, you can write sin cube equal to 4x. Okay, 4x. Now here 2 is there, 4 here, so you can write here 2 cot cube theta by 2 minus cos by sin cot theta by 2 and 1 by sin square cos square theta by 2 equal to twice x. Okay, now twice x. Now 2 cot cube theta by 2 my cot theta by 2 cos square, you can write 1 plus cot square theta by 2 equal to twice x. Okay, equal to twice x. So write 2 cot cube theta by 2 minus cot theta by 2 minus cot cube theta by 2 equal to twice x. So 2 cot cube and cot cube, only one cot cube theta, so write cot cube theta by 2 minus cot theta by 2 equal to twice x. This is the answer. See, this is the answer. Okay, cot cube theta by 2 minus cot theta by 2 twice x. See, the proof is there. Okay. Okay. The next one. All of you know sin, the value of sin 18 degree root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so I am showing. So sin 18 degree, the value of, see, sin 18 degree, the value root 5 minus 1 by 4. See, let theta equal to 18 degree. So 5 theta, you can have 90 degree, no multiple and 90 degree is there. So here 3 theta plus 2 theta, right, equal to 90 degree. So you can write here 2 theta equal to 90 degree minus 3 theta. Take sine both the sides. Sine 2 theta. Sine 90 degree minus 3 theta. Okay. Now 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine 2 theta. Sorry. 2 sine theta cos theta. Yes. Equal to, this will be cos 3 theta. Sine 90 minus cos. So right. 2 sine theta cos theta. This will be 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. 1 cos theta, cancel both the sides. 1 cos theta. Here, so this will not be 0 because cos 18 degree value. No, this will cancel. Oh, sorry. Wait. Cos theta. So you can write 2 sin theta equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. Okay. Now cos square all over 1 minus sin square. So write 4 minus 4 sin square theta minus 3 equal to 2 sin theta. So write minus 4 sin square theta minus 2 sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. So write 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So you can write here this part 2 sin theta whole square plus 2 into 2 sin theta into half plus half whole square 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So write 2 sin theta plus half whole square here equal to 5 by 4. Okay. So 2 sin theta plus half equal to write plus minus root 5 by 2. Okay. Here sin theta value sin 18 degree value positive, no? Sin 0 0, sin 30 half. Then the value will always positive. So we will take only positive sign only. Okay. We will take positive sign. So 2 sin theta root 5 minus 1 by 2 you can write on here. So sin theta root 5 minus 1 by 4. See, sin 18 degree, theta 18 degree is there. So sin 18 degree value root 5 minus 1 by 4. Sin 18 degree value root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now the next one. Here, see, sin 18 degree you are getting minus 4. So here sin 18 degree means cos 72, no? You can write cos 72. So write cos 72 degree you can write here root 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now cos 18 degree you can write here root 1 minus sin square 18 degree. So write 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So write 16 minus 5 plus 1 6 minus plus 2 root 5 by 16. So 1 by 4 root under 10 plus 2 root 5. All remember. So here cos 18 degrees there 1 by 4 10 plus 2 root 5. Okay. Then sin 18. So cos and sin 72 also same now. Here 1 by 4 root under 10 plus 2 root 5. Okay. Now cos yes, suppose cos 36 degree. You can write a cos 1 minus 2 sin square 18 degree you can write. Okay. So 1 minus 2 root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So 1 minus 2 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16 to 8. Okay, 1 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 8. Okay, 8 minus 6, that is 2 plus it will be root 5 plus 1 by 4. So cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4, and cos 36 means sin 54. Okay, complementary angle sin 54. So you write here this equal to, we can write here sin 54 degree, like that. Okay, so all of you remember this formula, it is very helpful. Okay, if you remember, then easily you can solve, otherwise you have to find out the value. Okay, just write, copy out first. Okay, okay, my dear students. Suppose I'm giving one sum. Say one sum is there. Say I'll give the standing meter also right here. Okay. So 1 plus root 1 plus a into 10 alpha. Okay, 1 plus root 1 minus a. Prove that sin 4 alpha equal to a. How to prove? Okay, from here we can write 10 alpha equal to here 1 plus root 1 minus a by 1 plus root 1 plus, we can write. Okay, now you have to put here a equal to, suppose a equal to sin 2 theta, you put a equal to sin 2 theta. So write 1 plus 1 minus sin 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta. Okay, so 1 plus, this part will be cos theta minus sin theta, here also 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, now 10 alpha equal to 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2, so 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, by this part 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 10 alpha, now take 2 cos theta by 2 common, so it will be here cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Okay, now dividing both sides by cos theta, so it will be 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2. Okay, so this you can write tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay, so tan alpha, both sides cancel tan. Okay, so you are getting, so remember a equal to sin 2 theta. Okay, so alpha equal to pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay, alpha, so you can write here, take 2 alpha equal to pi by 2 minus theta take sine both the sides. Theta by 2, no? Yes. 2 multiply theta, the 2 alpha, that is both sides multiply, yeah, sine. 4 alpha you can take. Okay, 2 sine 2 alpha equal to take sine pi by 2 minus theta. It will be cos theta, okay? Sine 2 alpha. Now sine 4 alpha. Sine 4 alpha is there. 2 sine 2 alpha cos 2 alpha, okay? Now most of theta by 2 is there, okay? Sine 2 alpha, you know, cos theta, and cos 2 alpha we can write 1 minus sine square 2 alpha, okay? That is 1 minus cos square theta. So it will be sine square, it will be sine theta now. Yes. So here 2 sine 2 alpha, this will be cos theta sine theta. So right, sine theta cos theta, okay? It will be sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta. So we know sine theta value is a. So right, a, this is a. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. Okay, my dear students, no more today. Again, next I will discuss another things. Okay, the few important sum also, or I will complete this part. Up to all of you know some multiple language exam. Yes, and I will discuss you parable also. Okay, and index number is left. Section B, you have to attempt either section B or section C. Okay, either section B or section C. And all of you know your multiple exam will be multiple choice question is there. Okay, 40 marks multiple choice question. I will discuss later how to make the question paper. Okay, and question paper I will discuss later. Okay, okay, no more. Bye.